We'll come back over here to the front page, and right here under search, we're going to click search, and then we're going to go ahead and look up that example. Let's say your company's having an event in Phoenix, Arizona. And again, you want to see everybody that you have in Phoenix. There we go. Perfect. And we look up Phoenix, and we see that we have 3 contacts that live in Phoenix. We have Greg, Amber, and Sam. But let's do a second example so you can see the difference. Let's say the company is now off to Dallas, and you're going to go ahead and see who you have in Dallas. Perfect. We see that we have 2 contacts that live in Dallas, but what's this? We have a note about Dallas as well. The difference is, if the word you're looking up is in that highlights area where I showed you the hashtags, it's going to come up as a contact. The app is going to know that this is information that's meaningful to this specific person. But it's also going to search the entire app as well. So it will allow you to go ahead and search for people maybe that you met in Dallas, but that don't actually live there. And so when we look at Sam, we can see that we met Sam in Dallas at the Association of Network Marketing Professionals event, and if we open him up the rest of the way, we can see that he actually lives in Phoenix. Now, let's go back to our search again, and we'll open up Greg. When we look at Greg, we can see that he does live in Dallas because that highlights area says the hashtag Dallas, which is why he comes up under the contact area. And that's how easy it is to search. You can search words that would be in any note that you've wrote, or you can search for things in the highlights area and find something very specific to the contact, just like this example. Let us know if you have any questions. And remember, we do have coaching and training available for you. Just let us know if you're interested in learning more.